Where does Linux store the IDRSA private key for SSH? Have you ever wondered where Linux keeps the private key for Secure Shell? If you are using Linux distributions and want to know how to manage your Secure Shell keys, you are in the right place. Let's break it down together. On most Linux systems, the private key for Secure Shell, which is usually named IDRSA, is stored in a hidden directory called SSH. This directory is located within your home folder. The full path to this private key file is typically //ssh/IDRSA. Here, the tilde symbol represents your current user's home directory. The SSH directory is hidden for a good reason. It protects sensitive secure shell configuration files and keys from being easily accessed. Inside the SSH directory, you will also find a corresponding public key named IDRSA pub. This public key can be shared with remote servers to allow for key-based authentication. When you generate secure shell keys using the SSH keygen utility, the default location for saving the key pair is this //SSH directory. You can choose to specify a different location if you want, but sticking with the default is often the best choice. This way, secure shell clients can automatically find your keys when you try to connect to a server. This standard storage location and naming convention help maintain a secure method for managing secure shell keys across various Linux distributions. It is different from other operating systems like Windows, where secure shell keys might be stored in a user-specific directory such as C plus users plus username.ssh. Using this setup makes it easier to establish secure remote access and file transfers between Linux machines or from Linux to other systems. Instead of relying on passwords, you can use key-based authentication. The private key remains on your local machine and is kept secure, while the public key is placed on remote servers in the //ssh/authorized keys file, granting access. So, to sum it up, Linux stores the IDRSA private secure shell key in the //ssh/IDRSA file by default. This setup ensures that your secure shell authentication credentials are kept in a secure and consistent location. Now you know exactly where to find your private key.